guys, sorry it's loud. We just turned the heater on in the house because we've been away for a couple days. Can't talk. Anyways, just got back from Nashville celebrating my 30th birthday. We secured some Taylor Swift tickets today, and we ended the entire trip with this massive plate of Chinese food. I can't believe this was $13. It's like a buffet and they give you this and you just fill it up, but I figure let's taste it together. This is a honey walnut shrimp. Oh my God, it's so good. Wow. Let me adjust this so you can see better. I mean, you guys, this is freaking insane. Okay, so let's do, I want to try one little thing before I actually sit down and eat this, but I want to try a crab rangoon on camera with their hot and sour sauce or sweet and sour sauce. It's so good. You know, it's way better than like a Panda Express. And for $13 to be able to fill up this entire tub, if you're someone who's not wasteful like me, I eat leftovers. So this is perfect for me. I'll have a couple bites of this the whole week, you know what I mean? Oh my God. Mushroom. Shy green bean. Incredible. Oh, I also got this. They had this tonight, look. I also found this tonight. They had freaking spare ribs, or barbecue ribs. Anyways, I haven't seen this at the buffet before, so I had to get this and try it. Let's do a little taste test, shall we? Falling off the bone, we love it. Flavor of the sauce is good, but I want to get the meat. So it's definitely just like a straight up barbecue rib. It's not like Chinese food ribs. I don't know if that makes sense. Like where they're bright red and they have a specific flavor. But anyways, okay, there's also, I think, a chicken broccoli situation. Let's do a taste of that. Oh look, 2 in 1. Honestly, the flavors are awesome. I'm blown. My mind is blown by this. All right, last thing to try is the noodles. Oh my God. Ooh. Okay. They're not anything special. Honestly, everything else is way more flavor, but they are good to just have, you know, have a couple bites in between, but they're really freaking salty. Like really salty. Anything else I could try on camera? I have so much in here, so I'm probably not gonna get to taste test everything, but I just had to show you and share with you and celebrate with you this weekend and today's victories. Yeah, but I'm gonna save this egg roll for later. All right, let's just make a little plate for myself. I'm gonna put the rest of this crab rangoon in here. I'm gonna put some noodles. Smooth. Yeah, got onion in here from something else. I don't even know what it is. Got sweet and sour chicken. Okay, this egg roll. I'm just gonna do this rib because I feel like that won't taste great tomorrow. Don't need the bone. What is this? Oh, General Tso's chicken. We got some green beans. Let's do that. I love this peanut chicken. So good. Love the broccoli and the chicken. Yum. It's all good. Ooh, honey walnut shrimp. I want another one of those. Ooh, what's under here? A bunch of mushrooms. Yum. Mushrooms and carrots. All right. This looks like a pretty bomb plate to me. I'll do like half of this egg roll. Cut it. Yeah, I'll do like a third of it. I only need a little bite. Oh my God, this plate looks incredible. And I have so much more that I can eat tomorrow too. Oh, crap. Just spilt my sauce. Okay, I'll show you guys the finished look.